It's a beautiful day in Avondale. Glad to have you with us, folks. If you're with us, there's a few things in your head that's going on. You're thinking about doing some building, maybe adding on, maybe moving some walls. Well, you came to the right place today, and we are going to get things settled for you. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride with us today. For those of you new, you probably think we're pretty crazy, not your average contractor. Well, it's very true. Follow us. Whenever you have a project, you probably have a few questions in mind.
Like, how much will it cost? What are the risks involved? Or how long will it take? So some houses need a complete remodel, like this one, for instance. This was a complete interior remodel, from the floors to the walls to the electric to the trim to the baseboards. Some things we left, like this beautiful window seat where Jeffrey is sitting.
Wait, slow down. What if I just want to take a wall down and move it?
You can do that with CenterBeam Construction. For instance, we knocked down this wall right here in the kitchen. So after we opened up this wall, we put a wet bar over here, and then...
Wait. Simple, slow it down a little. These people watching us probably want to know how long things took, how long you're going to have to see me and some guys around their house. Maybe you too.
Okay, I get it. So this, for instance, took 4 to 6 months. And that has to do with your cabinets, your flooring. This one we had to weave in floors. We had to build all the trim and the transoms. That's not really typical, but an average one takes about 3 months. So you probably hear us better when we get out of the shower.
We're soundproof, sorry.
So a lot of people talk about the risk involved in doing an addition or a remodel, for instance, like a master bath remodel. The risk, I think, the highest risk would be one, hiring the wrong contractor who has the wrong subs. The second risk would be to overbuild, to put more money in that you can get out in possible value when you go to sell your house. But the beauty of it is CenterBeam Construction now owns CenterBeam Real Estate as well. So we're very familiar with the historic values of the area.
All right, folks, now for the nail biter time of our interview. The thing that's the scariest is
the cost.
Yes.
But don't be scared, because we work with your budget and we already think about the unforeseeable issues that might come up in these older homes.
Wait, you mean like split giant pipe leaking sewage in a wall nobody knows about?
Exactly like
and
that.
Possibly knob and tube that
like
somebody
that.
didn't point out.
Yes, or an old electric box that needs to be upgraded, or maybe some foundational issues because we have a slight slant in the flooring, upsettling, all kinds of stuff. But we're going to try to figure that out before we start the job.
Well, in this is our end walk through the house, and I just wanted to let everybody watching the video know that CenterBeam did get an award for this house and its renovation, and it's rare that we toot our own horn, but we really felt it was well deserved on this house. Well, I'm very happy you got to see us and go through the project with us. We'd love to meet with you on one of your projects, and if you'd like to get in hold of us in any way, just give us a shout on the phone, text, or email, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you. Now, my day is going to consist of doing another project, but I hope your day is more than fun in your neighborhood. Thanks for being with us.